Good morning, children. Happy to see you all again. Shall we get into the lesson? Yes. The lesson is all about our earth, where we are living. And we have seen how the earth was originated and what is galaxy, then what is solar system. After knowing those things, Imayan asked his next question to his father. That is, where is our earth is in the solar system? His father replied, Earth is the third planet from the sun and it is the fifth largest planet in the solar system, which means among those 8 planets, Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. And also, with that, his father added more information about Earth. That is, Earth has two movements, they are rotation and revolution. So, children, tell me, Earth has how many movements? Two movements. They are rotation and revolution. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its axis. Because of rotation of the Earth, day and night cast. And then revolution. Revolution is the movement of the Earth around the sun on its axis. Because of this revolution, seasons are caused. So, rotation is caused for day and night, and revolution is caused for season changes. Yes, children? Then, also, he told Earth is the only planet where life is possible because of the presence of land, air, and water on the Earth. So, only on the Earth people can live. And then the distance between the sun and the earth is 150 million kilometer. I have told you already, million means 10 lakhs. So the distance between the sun and the earth is 150 million kilometer. With that, his father added more information about solar system. I mean, about those 8 planets, his father has given more information to Imayan. They are Mercury and Venus. These two planets are lie near to the sun, and those both planets are considered as hot planets since they are lie near to the sun. And then Venus, it is Earth's twin. It is Earth's twin. Then Mars. Mars is known as red planet, and Earth is known as blue planet. And then Saturn, it is known as ringed planet. And finally Uranus and Neptune, those planets are very cold and those planets are known as frozen planet. As I have told you already, Uranus and Neptune are known as frozen planet. Since they are far away from the sun, they are very cold. And we live on the surface of the earth, which made up of 7 continents and 5 oceans. So, we are living on the surface of the earth, which is made up of 7 continents and 5 oceans. I'll tell you what are the 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. I'll tell you again, children. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Among those 7 continents, Asia is the biggest one, Australia is the smallest one, and Antarctica is the one which is fully covered with snow or ice. So, children, tell me now, which is the biggest continent? Yes, it is Asia. And which is the smallest one? Yes, it is Australia. And which is fully covered with snow or ice? Yes, good. It is Antarctica. The five oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Earth is covered with 71% of ocean, that is salt water, and also known as saline water. So Earth is covered with 71% of salt water. In that, 2.5 percentage water is fresh water and 1 percentage is easily accessible. Okay, now tell me children, Earth is covered with, yes, 71 percentage of salt water. In that, 2.5 percentage is fresh water and 1 percentage is easily accessible. After the explanation of his father, he thanked his father for making him to learn the interesting things about Earth. I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thank you, children. See you again.